All right, I am on my way to practice today from Boston all the way down to Fairfield, Connecticut. And then from there, this weekend, I'm going to a regional in West Virginia. A lot of driving, a lot of time today at least to decide what I should practice. So yeah, hopefully I find something good and I'll bring you along for the ride. Snack. I'm about halfway into my drive, got an hour left, and I think I've come up with a practice plan here. It's been a couple weeks for me since It's been a couple days for me since I've practiced. I'm just gonna go back to the basics, practice, staying down on some shots, working on keeping my spine tilt up a little more upright, and really just getting back in the groove of things, getting some feel back in my game, getting ready for West Virginia this weekend. All right, so today I'm also going to be practicing, like I said, that stability. So right now, that's what I'm gonna work on, some stability at the line, making sure my head doesn't move too much upon release, as well as staying a little lower with my knee bend. Let's get into it. All right, so I bowled about half a game, 3/4 of a game, bowling at that slow speed, trying to keep my balance, trying to keep my head above my hips, above my knees, just trying to keep everything in line. I bowled about 3/4 of a game, and now I'm gonna try and pick up the pace, go back to a more normal speed, and work on my balance again. So there you have it. I shot a game with that medium ball speed. Now I'm going to switch to a higher ball speed bowl, until I'm halfway through the next game. At that higher ball speed, my maximum usable ball speed. Try and focus on staying balanced, keeping upright at the line. On that one, I double dribbled a couple, but I think now I'm just going to really focus on keeping my spine a little more upright, and that way we can stop double dribbling.
Do what he said.
I mean, basically.
Just do it.
So that was my maximum usable ball speed. As you guys might be able to see, it's about 17 miles an hour, a little more if I'm playing a little straighter, a little less if I'm hooking it with the camera. The position the camera's in, it just picks it up differently. Now I'm gonna throw probably 4 or 5 shots at a normal ball speed just to get back to that normal feeling, and then I will wrap it up and be done with practice. All right, well, that is it for me. I'm all done practicing here today at Nutmeg Lanes. I just bowled another game at like my normal speed, trying to get the feeling back, the flow back. And now I am going to leave for Virginia tomorrow and meet up with our guy, Tim Pfeiffer. So until then, peace. All you can hope for is someone who